Everybody, let's go.
I got the girl I'm the sing for. 50 girls on default. But now you be the one I'm gonna kill for. Baby girl, you be great. I'm coming for me, not believe me. Baby, one in a million.
Everybody, let's go.
Baby, top of my million. Celebrity. My out. See, now baby, told you that. Fire.
Say,
See my baby, my out. She said, Ricky, Jaja. Everybody, let me hear you go. Go, shawty. Go, shawty. You know it's your birthday. Go, shawty. Yeah, it's your birthday. Go, shawty. You know it's your birthday. Come on, dance with me, no dey frustrate. You concentrate. You want your body. Come on, dance with me, no dey frustrate. I'm with you, baby. I let you go, you got fire. See my baby, she's ready to Jaja.
Go.
You know it's your birthday. Go, shawty. You know it's your birthday. Go, shawty. You know it's your
Make some noise for Tiwa Savage.
go, shawty. You know it's your birthday. I go dance for. Lose control of it, my fault. And every time I met you, I feel so cool. I go setting my muscle. See, baby, for you reach it out. And company don't believe you. You be one in a million. Make a jump on your million. I get very relaxed. I don't get it without you right now. The thing I do for you, babe. Don't just switch on me for my
Take it easy. Richie. Appreciate you. Ladies and gentlemen, Banks Music is in the building. Respect, bro. Congratulations. TT, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, please, see, before I do anything, I just have to say something. Tiwa Savage is working hard this Christmas. Tiwa has not rested in the last how many weeks. She has come and bless me. Just please, take it easy. Tiwa, if you touch her, TT. Are you? It's allowed. Let's go. Make some noise! TT! It's been a long time we've done this together, you know. Let's go! Oh yeah. Mama checking me. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm only the something sounding. I like to. Make some money to a number. Let's go, Sam! Ladies and gentlemen, see what? You know what? See. I'm trying to throw you off.
Baby, you wanna just undress me. Baby, that's why you call me sweetie. Yeah. I'm waiting for me. Yeah. Wasn't jail to marry. Yeah. So you can like me, baby. I know you wanna undress me. You know say I know you're tired. Baby, boo, I'm here forever. Yeah, you know go expire. Nobody. You know say I know you're tired. Baby, boo, I'm here forever. Yeah, you know go expire. Nobody knows where it is.
Another festive season. Well, as you all go back home to your various villages, cities, towns, here's wishing you Johnny Mercies back home. Here is wishing you the very best, that you will go home, you will have a lovely time at home. Friends, family, loved ones. Well, we will remain in Lagos. We'll keep Lagos for you. You come back early January to meet us. But remember, we do have unfinished business. And you know what that is? We've got elections around the corner. It's time to choose between the people's Lagos and one man's Lagos. Happy festive season.
I don't be anytime when the song's on. And we see the light shining in the wrong car.
I used to say we didn't run the city. I don't think that anyone in people's capacity. I just want to sing a song. Break it down, oh yeah, break it to the core, yeah.
Papa, God don't bless us now.
Why will we talk this matter?
Some people want to pull me down. I still they
walk
walk.
No, we say them say. No, they feel like say you don't know. Don't be say that say.
Everybody, sing it with me now.
When you pray for me, I do pray for Allah.
It's okay.
I do pray for
When
Allah.
I do ballet,
I do pray for Allah.
take out your it's okay. If I start to take my eyes, see we don't go away. See, I want to do this part.
I actually want to say something.
Yes.
I've known Dr. Sid for a very long time. He's like...
She's trying to say something nice about me. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. See, that's not, that Snapchat will not be clear because she's trying to say something nice about me and disturbing her. Thank you. Okay, wait now.
It's really not easy. It's really not easy to be consistent in this industry. So, you know, I really want to just congratulate you. And you really, truly are one of the, like, greatest entertainers that I know, for real. Like, the stage presence.
Thank you.
Your positive, like, energy, like, and I'm really honored to be here, honestly. I'm really honored to be here to support you. Definitely, and I love you, Dr. Sid. Can I turn it up a little bit?
Let's turn it up. I want you to Jay Greasy. Here we go. Jay Greasy. 1, 2, here we go. Turn it down. You can't do that. And I'll see you turn it on. Here we go. See you. Can we get waving tonight? Lagos, you wanna get waving real quick? I got the #1 African market waving.